Warm greetings from TNV Academy. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the topic data analytics. At first, let me tell you about the key takeaways of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is data analytics, steps involved in data analytics, techniques for data analytics, benefits of data analytics, and the last one is sectors that use data analytics. So let's start our discussion and talk about what is data analytics. Data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data to make conclusions about that information. Companies around the globe generate vast volumes of data daily in the form of log files, web servers, transactional data, and various customer-related data. In addition to this, social media websites also generate enormous amounts of data. Companies ideally need to use all of their generated data to derive value out of it and make impactful business decisions. Data analytics is used to derive this purpose. Data analytics is the process of exploring and analyzing large data sets to find hidden patterns, unseen trends, discover correlations, and derive valuable insights to make business predictions. It improves the speed and efficiency of your business. You can think of data analytics as a form of business intelligence used to solve specific problems and challenges within an organization. It's all about finding patterns in a data set which can tell you something useful and relevant about a particular area of the business, how certain customer groups behave, for example, or how employees engage with a particular tool. Data analytics helps you to make sense of the past and to predict future trends and behaviors. Rather than basing your decisions and strategies on guesswork, you are making informed choices based on what the data is telling you. Now let us talk about the various steps involved in data analytics. The process involved in data analysis involves several different steps. The first step is to determine the data requirements or how the data is grouped. Data may be separated by age, demographic, income, or gender. Data values may be numerical or be divided by category. The second step in data analytics is the process of collecting it. This can be done through a variety of sources such as computers, online sources, cameras, environmental sources, or through personnel. Once the data is collected, it must be organized so it can be analyzed. This may take place on a spreadsheet or other form of software that can take statistical data. The data is then cleaned up before analysis. This means it is scrubbed and checked to ensure there is no duplication or error and that it is not incomplete. This step helps correct any errors before it goes on to a data analyst to be analyzed. We will now take up our next point for discussion, which is techniques used for data analytics. There are several different analytical methods and techniques data analysts can use to process data and extract information. Some of the most popular methods are regression analysis. It entails analyzing the relationships between dependent variables to determine how a change in one may affect the change in another. Factor analysis. This technique entails taking a large data set and shrinking it to a smaller data set. The goal of this maneuver is to attempt to discover hidden trends that would otherwise have been more difficult to see. Cohort analysis. It is the process of breaking a data set into groups of similar data, often broken into a customer demographic. This allows data analysts and other users of data analytics to further dive into the numbers relating to a specific subset of data. Monte Carlo simulations. It is the model of the probability of different outcomes happening, often used for risk mitigation and loss prevention. These simultations incorporate multiple values and variables and often have greater forecasting capabilities than other data analytics approaches. Time series analysis. This mechanism tracks data over time and solidifies the relationship between the value of a data point and the occurrence of the data point. This data analysis technique is usually used to spot cyclical trends or to project financial forecasts. Now that you have looked at what data analytics is, let's understand how we can be benefited by data analytics. Improved decision making. Data analytics eliminates guesswork and manual tasks, be it choosing the right content, planning marketing campaigns, or developing products. Organizations can use the insights they gain from data analytics to make informed decisions, thus leading to better outcomes and customer satisfaction. Better customer service. Data analytics allows you to tailor customer service according to their needs. It also provides personalization and builds stronger relationships with customers. Analyzed data can reveal information about customers' interests, concerns, and more. It helps you give better recommendations for products and services. Efficient operations. With the help of data analytics, you can streamline your processes, save money, and boost production. With an improved understanding of what your audience wants, you spend lesser time creating ads and content that are not in line with your audience interests. Effective marketing. Data analytics gives you valuable insights into how your campaigns are performing. This helps in fine-tuning them for optimal outcomes. Additionally, you can also find potential customers who are most likely to interact with a campaign and convert into leads. And finally, now let us talk about few of the sectors that use data analytics. Data analytics is used in almost every sector of business. Let's discuss a few of them. Retail. Data analytics helps retailers understanding their customer needs and buying habits to predict trends, recommend new products, and boost their business. They optimize the supply chain and retail operations at every step of the customer journey. Healthcare. Healthcare industries analyze patient data to provide life-saving diagnosis and treatment options. Data analytics help in discovering new drug development methods as well. Manufacturing. Using data analytics, manufacturing sectors can discover new cost-saving opportunities. They can solve complex supply chain issues, labor constraints, and equipment breakdowns. Banking sector. Banking and financial institutions use analytics to find out probable loan defaulters and customer churn out rate. It also helps in detecting fraudulent transactions immediately. Logistics. Logistics companies use data analytics to develop new business models and optimize routes. This in turn ensures that the delivery reaches on time in a cost-efficient manner. We have now come to the conclusion of this session. For any of your questions regarding today's discussion, we would request to please put them in the comment section of the video and we will be definitely answering them. Till we meet next, it's best wishes from TNV Academy. Thank you.